the rocks where the cold waves roll, lives a little seal with a silvery soul. Flipping and flopping he claps with glee, splashing around in the deep blue sea. Seal, seal, slippery and sleek, dives so deep and plays hide and seek, with a wiggle and a waddle and a happy squeal. Oh, what fun to be a seal! He sings to the seagulls high in the sky, blows some bubbles as the fish swim by. He balances a pebble on the tip of his nose, then somersaults wherever